afternoon, sports fans. It's been a while since I posted my last video. Life's been pretty crazy, to be fair. What's new? I'm now a dad. Mrs gave birth to our daughter 4 weeks ago almost. So yeah, that's kept us pretty busy and tired mostly, but yeah, good times. That's one thing. A few things have been done to the Type R. The 1 series has gone. We've now got a 3 series. For any of you that follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that. So since the last video I posted, which was on the K&N intake, there's been a few more changes to the Type R. Shortly after that I fitted a new Mishimoto aluminium radiator because the standard one shit itself, followed by a Toyo Sports catback exhaust, fresh interior because you might remember that was ripped. I think that's about it for the Type R. Oh, that was it. E-back sport line lowering springs have just gone on last weekend, which has made a big difference to the look and feel of the car. So yeah, we're getting there. We're pretty much ready for Germany now, which is only next month. And obviously we're taking this car. So yeah, should be good. This weekend though, and probably the next couple of videos that I'm going to upload, is not going to be about Civic Type R, but the Metro. We're going to Retro Show at Santa Pod. Today's Thursday, we're going on Saturday, we're camping over till Sunday. So yeah, my next 2 videos will be on that really. Right then, I'm just going to go and get the Metro. I'm going to take it home, start to get it ready for Santa Pod. There she is. I've missed you, to be fair. Let's see if you'll start then, eh? It's a good start. I'll see you in a few days, you little slag. Well then, we've got the Metro, as you can see. Everything seems to be fine, running sweet. There's just a couple of jobs I want to get done. One of which is fitting a short shifter. So I've never really been happy with this gear change. So yeah, we're going to look at that. But first of all, we need to get some fuel for the weekend. So I'll see you at the petrol station. For anyone who's not already following me on Instagram, there you go. But also I have noticed that since I posted my last video, I've had a few new subscribers. So I'm not sure whether you're here for the Civic or the Metro, but either way, enjoy the channel. £50. 50 quid. What? God. There's one thing this car doesn't like, it's traffic. Fan on. Right then, let's have a look at this short shifter. Before I start, actually, I'm going to show you exactly how sloppy this gear shift is. That's a pretty big throw, to be fair, and that's something I've never really been happy with. So hopefully that'll sort it. That quick shifter will sort the problem. So this is the actual kit. Looks pretty simple to fit. The linkages are down the back there. So I'm just going to take them apart and have a look how it goes on. I know it's going to be hard to see, but I reckon the short shift thing device fits to this arm here, so I'll show you once it's on. So this is pretty much everything you get in the Dark Eyes design short shift kit. It looks like that goes in there to like allow for adjustment, and that will sandwich over the original ball joint, which is down the back, which I just showed you on that lever. It looks pretty simple, to be fair, so I'll show you once it's on. Right, so it's all fitted. Don't know whether you can see down there, but that's literally it. It's as simple as that. Try and show you from the back of the inlet. So that literally took 10 minutes, and the kit from Dark Eyes Designs was a really quality piece of kit. Went straight on, no problems. And if I can do that job in 10 minutes unsupervised without breaking anything, I'm sure anyone can do it. So yeah, worthwhile mod for your R65 box. Let's see what the gear change looks like now. That's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I think you'll agree that's a massive improvement over what it was before. So yeah, happy with that. Now it's time to wash it. Well, that's us packed up and ready to go. I'll see you at Santa Pod.